Hello students, exercise 1.5, question number 7. If f such that r to r and g such that r to r and defined by f of x is equal to x power 5 and g of x is equal to x power 4, then check if f, g are 1 to 1 and fog is 1 to 1. Here we have two functions, f of x and g of x. We have to check this f of x is 1 to 1 or not and this g of x is 1 to 1 or not. Also we have to check whether fog is 1 to 1 or not. So this is the question now, right? First of all, what do you mean by 1 to 1? If all the elements in the domain have unique image in codomain, that is called 1 to 1 function, right? Okay, so let's get into the problem. Listen carefully, this is f of x and g of x. First we will check f of x is 1 to 1 or not, right? So let's substitute different values for this x. First substitute 1, for example, f of 1, which means in the place of x we should substitute 1 power 5. What is 1 power 5? 1. And listen carefully, 1 power 5 is 1. Now what about minus 1? F of minus 1. Minus 1 power 5 is not 1, it is minus 1. Right? So you have to understand this concept clearly. Whenever we have the negative number and the power over it, means if the power is an even number, means value should be in positive. If the power is an odd number, means the value should be negative. One small example. First listen to the small example. For example, 2, right? Sorry, minus 2 is a number. This is a negative number. Now power 2. So the power is even. Answer should be in positive. For example, minus 2 square means what? Minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 into 2 is 4. So minus 2 power 2 is 4. When a negative number have the even number in the power, means the answer should be positive. The same way, a negative number have odd number as a power, means, so here minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, power 3 means minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, right? 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So the answer should be in negative, right? So please understand this one. If a negative number have the even number of power, means answer is positive. Odd number of power means answer is negative, right? So please understand this clearly. So now coming back to the question, here the power is 5. That is, what is that? Odd number. Therefore when we have any negative number, means answer also will be negative number. So minus 1 power 5 means it is minus 1. Right? Again 2 power 5 is 32. Minus 2 power 5, minus number, negative number, have the odd power. Answer should be in negative. Right? So here it is very clear. All the elements, if I substitute any values for x, we will have different values for y. Distinct images. Right? 1 is different and minus 1 is different. 32 is different, minus 32 different. Same way, if we substitute 3, 4, minus 3, whatever it may be, we will have the distinct images. Therefore, this f of x is 1 to 1. Now, go to g of x. What is g of x? X power 4. So now substitute. Same 1. 1 power 4 is what? 1. If the number is positive, means no problem. Answer is always positive. Right? If the number is negative only, we will have to think. Right? Okay, so f of 1 power 4 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Now here, if I substitute minus 1, minus 1 power 4, negative number have the even number as a square, right? So which means the answer should be in positive. Minus 1 power 4, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So 4 minus 1s. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So answer becomes plus. So f of minus 1 is plus 1. So in this step, it is very clear. Both the numbers, if I substitute plus 1, answer is 1. If I substitute minus 1, then also the answer is 1. So if you put arrow diagram, for x 1 and minus 1, y is 1. Which means both this element in the domain have the same image, not the distinct image. So no different images here. Both the images are same. So therefore it is not at all one-to-one function. It is many-to-one function. It is not one-to-one function. Now fog. So how to find fog? Fog means f of g of x. What is g of x? X power 4. X power 4. So f of x power 4 means we have to substitute this x power 4 in the place of x in f of x. F of x is x power 5. So in the place of x, substitute x power 4 and we have 1 power 5. So whole power 5. When we have the power over power, we have to multiply the power. So 4 into 5 is 20. X power 20. Now the same way. Fog is x power 20. Substitute 1. 1 power 20. 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 power 20. 20 is an even number. Even number means always the answer should be positive. So minus 1 power